while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as radar for steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Winner Rina and Ira. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to ready heading 25 miles per hour. And that's truly a fast swim. How about a round of applause for Danny? The Spartans. Great job, Danny. Back to your seat. Ooh, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained up to them to take part in special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since